Here are 3 easy ways to take a screenshot on your new iPhone 17 Pro. Now, it's pretty easy to do, you can see right here.
So without further ado, the first way you can actually take a screenshot on this nice iPhone is you can actually just do the simple, just click the top power button. This is the top volume button, along with the power button on the side right here. If you click them at the same time, it'll take a screenshot like so. Now, the second method to actually take a screenshot is you just want to go over to type in shortcuts on your phone, which is going to be this app right here. You click on shortcuts, and you just want to click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Just click on plus, and once you actually click on the plus option, I'm going to try to get it. You just want to search for the option called screenshot. Now, you just search for screenshot like so, and then you click on the take screenshot option, and you click on that, and click on done like so. When you see that, you can actually see it's been added right here. I've added it multiple times, but it should be added right here. And to actually use this feature, all you want to do is you just want to actually go over to settings on your phone, or from here you just want to find the action button option. As you can see, you just want to scroll down just a little bit, not too far, and click on action button, which is right here. Click on this, and you actually just want to swipe over until you see the option that is called shortcut, which you can see I'm on right here. And what this does is the action button is this button on the side of your phone. So you just want to click on take screenshot. You can actually choose the action. It can be anything. So I'm just going to click on this right here, and you can actually select take screenshot right here. And as you can see, if we go back to our home screen, click on this button for a second, you can see now it takes a screenshot just like that. And the third and final way to take a screenshot on your new iPhone 16 is all you want to do is you simply just want to go over to settings and actually just get out of this mode, and instead you just want to go over to the option called touch. So I just scroll to the top, and you just want to search for touch like so. When you search for touch, you click on accessibility, and it'll bring you into this panel like so, where from here you just want to scroll down to the very bottom, click on back tab, and actually just click on double tap option right here, and you can actually just click on the option that is called screenshot. You just want to scroll down, click on screenshot, or you can actually choose any effect that you do when you click on the back buttons like so. It will actually take a screenshot. Let's just get out of this, go to the home screen, click on the back twice, takes a screenshot. All you do, that twice, and it will take a screenshot, easy as that.